How's it going, everybody? Zach here at MarineMax and Coco, and check out this boat right here. I've got a 2026 Sea Ray 210 SPX. This is a beauty. It's in the Sea Ray blue with a black rub rail stainless steel insert. You've got the big, nice Sea Ray logo right there on the side, so everybody knows what you got. This boat is sitting on a black galvanized trailer from Sea Ray and pushing this puppy. Beautiful mercury white, 200 horsepower. Outboard. Check out the inside. Here in the stern of this 2026 210 SPX, you've got plenty of room on your swim platform right here, right next to your big Mercury 200. Ladder that folds down so you can get in and out of the water super easily. You do also have this huge compartment right here where your inboard engine would go, but you got all this room for storage since you got the outboard. Close that up. You've got a cooler here. Cooler here. Deep ergonomic seating throughout the cockpit. You do have a bimini top over top. Your co-pilot chair will swing forward and backward depending on how you'd like it for your seating. So you do have a lot of room in this boat. Bring the whole family out, bring a few friends out. It does include the boat cover. Right here at your helm, you've got a super nice helm for a 21-foot boat. Fusion audio head unit. You have this newly redesigned Simrad display, which stretches all the way across your dash. Beautiful right there. With your Mercury 200, you do have the digital binnacle. And on your captain seat, you do have the bolster seat that'll get you up over this windshield if you would like, or sink you back down when you want to be comfy. LEDs throughout the bottom. Nice windshield that does close up when you want to get out of the wind or the weather. Cup holders and little glove boxes throughout. Underneath here, you've got more storage underneath these seats, as well as more Fusion speakers, more cup holders deep and out of the way. It's just a really perfectly designed boat. 21 feet, 2026, new from Sea Ray. It's absolutely perfect. Come and check it out in person here at MarineMax Coco, or feel free to give us a call, 321-636-3142. Thank you.